Have you ever wondered why we yawn? It's one of those strange things we do every day, but most of us have no real idea why. It's not just about being tired or bored like many people think. Today, we're going to uncover the surprising science behind this simple reflex and see why yawning is much more fascinating than it seems. Most people assume yawning happens because we're sleepy or bored, a sort of signal telling us to get some rest or pay attention. That idea comes from the obvious times when we yawn: early mornings, late nights, or during dull meetings. Some also think yawning helps us take in more oxygen when we're running low. This idea was popular for a long time because when you yawn, you do take a big breath. But modern science has found that these common beliefs don't tell the whole story. Studies have shown that increasing oxygen levels or decreasing carbon dioxide in the air doesn't actually stop yawning. Instead, yawning appears to serve a different, more complex purpose in the body and brain. Yawning is actually a way to cool down the brain. When you yawn, you take in a big gulp of air that helps lower the temperature of your brain slightly, just like a natural air conditioner. The deep breath stretches your jaw and increases blood flow to the brain, which helps remove heat. This cooling effect helps your brain stay sharp and alert. This idea comes from research showing that people tend to yawn more in warm environments or when their brain temperature starts to rise. But why does your brain need to cool down? Just like any machine, your brain works best within a certain temperature range. If it gets too hot, it can slow down, making you feel sluggish or unfocused. Yawning is a quick, automatic way to regulate that temperature, keeping your brain functioning smoothly. It's like pressing a quick reset button that refreshes your mental state. Yawning is contagious, and that curiosity has puzzled scientists for years. When you see someone yawn, your brain automatically makes you want to yawn too. This happens because yawning is linked to social bonding and empathy. For example, chimpanzees yawn when they see their friends yawn, which helps them stay connected and synchronized. Dogs also yawn around their owners, which some studies suggest is a way they sense our emotions. Even humans yawn in groups, which might help us coordinate and stay bonded as a community. We can see yawning's role clearly in action. Think about airplane passengers who start yawning as the flight drags on. The cramped space and warmer cabin temperature can increase brain heat, so yawning helps keep everyone alert. College students in lecture halls often yawn when the room gets stuffy or the material gets dull, not just because they're bored, but because their brain needs a quick cool down. And athletes might yawn before a competition, preparing their brain to stay sharp and focused. So why does any of this matter? Beyond just understanding an everyday reflex, learning about yawning gives us insight into how our brain regulates itself and stays healthy. It also highlights how closely our bodies are connected to social and emotional cues, reminding us that simple actions like yawning aren't just idle habits. They're part of a complex system keeping us mentally and physically balanced. Next time you catch yourself yawning, remember, it's your brain's natural cooling system firing up, helping you to stay sharp and connected to the people around you. Yawning isn't just about tiredness or boredom, it's a clever, automatic way your body looks out for you in ways you rarely notice.